Hello, and welcome to another Tween Crafternoon here at the Scott County Public Library in Georgetown, Kentucky. I'm Kelly. I'm your Tween Services librarian here at the library, and today I will be showing you how to do water marbling with nail polish. I was inspired by one of my favorite YouTubes, but unlike her, I will not be water marbling weird things. I'm going to be water marbling a mug. So, to start, you will need a bucket. I have used a clear one so you can hopefully kind of see what I'm doing pretty well. You're going to fill it with water, enough that you'll be able to push your item in and submerge it. I am going to use some wooden dowels here to swirl my nail polish designs. Which leads us to the next thing. You need nail polish. If you got any laying around, it doesn't really matter. I picked some mermaid colors because I thought it was pretty. It's also nice to have some nail polish remover on hand because you might oops. It happens, especially with nail polish. Also, Q-tips and cotton balls are good for that purpose. You will also need a mug or whatever whatever item you would like to be water marbling. Mugs are nice because then you can use them. I'm also going to be cleaning off my mug with some rubbing alcohol, just to give it a nice clean there. You don't have to use rubbing alcohol, but it'll make it really clean. Give the nail polish something to really adhere to. And then a fun little tip. We'll see if I can make it work here. I think I can. So you know those annoying stickers on the bottom of cups? Let's see. I'm gonna take a piece of tape, get it on there. Let's see if this works. Nope, it didn't work. I was trying to, quote, wax the sticker off, but nope, no luck. So we're gonna peel that sticker off the normal way. Maybe, or maybe not. Oh my goodness, this is stuck by good. Which is why I was hoping that tape waxing thing would work. That's what I get for not testing that beforehand. Okay, now it's all over my fingers. Huzzah.
Hey Kelly, I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you put those in the dishwasher after you marble them?
I would not, no.
No, okay.
No, definitely not. Don't do that.
So hand wash only.
Yeah, you will ruin the dishwasher. Nobody wants that. I was going to mention that afterwards, but I probably good upfront information. Yes. And you can also find some food safe clear spray that you can then spray on your mug afterwards. Keep it nice and sealed in. I would use food safe because you're drinking out of it. Almost there. Okay, it's still super sticky, and you can actually use tape. I do this all the time, and my coworkers laugh at me. You can use tape to peel off the sticky stuff. It's great. I'm not going to do that now, though, because it's just going to waste more time. So, we have got all of our goods here. We've got our mug cleaned off, approximately. I'm going to pull this container a little closer to me so I can see what I'm doing. And make sure you don't use a nail polish you love or that's super expensive, unless you don't care, in which case, okay, fine. But I'm not going to use my expensive nail polishes on this because you are going to take it out and you're just going to dump it. And the first little bit may not, it may kind of disperse, and that's okay. I'm just gonna pour some all around. Oop, I got it on the bottle. I'll clean that up in a little bit. And it's nice and dispersed. And I'm gonna pour, oh, I meant to open the door before I did this, because also, heads up, this stinks. Nail polish doesn't smell good in small doses, and this is a big old dose of nail polish. Come on! Oh, well, that went bloop. Oh, but it floated. It floats. I don't know what the grammatically correct answer is there. Pour in some glitter. Well, that little bit just went bloop to the bottom. Alright. you can kind of think about your design at this stage. Or not. I clearly didn't. I was just dropping nail polish in there. But you can take a stick and lightly drag it and pull it through. Pull that closer. Make sure it's a stick you don't care about because it's gonna get nail polish on it. Let's see. I think I'm approximately okay with that. I'm just gonna leave that stick right there because I don't want to put nail polish all over this table. And I'm gonna take my mug and I'm going to take it and hold it by the handle and dip it in and rotate it this way. Because when I did this mug, I held it like this and dipped it in. And as you can see, this is empty and other bits are very colorful. So let's see how this goes. Dip and swirl. And then you're gonna take your stick and floof, 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 floof. Get that other stuff out of there, you don't want that. And now, some of that glitter chunk got, it's very 3D off the side of the mugs there, but that's okay. If you don't like that though, take your nail polish remover. Let's see if I can give it a minute here. Let's open that nail polish remover, one-handed. See if I can do it. Yeah, I can. Stick the Q-tip down in there. Boop. I got some on the inside of my mug. I really don't want that. I don't want to drink off nail polish. So I'm gonna take it and do swish, 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 swish. And there it comes. Right off. I'm also smearing glitter around because glitter nail polish. Yeah. I would suggest that you clean any nail polish off the lip of the mug, again, so that you're not drinking nail polish. That's not good. Don't ingest that, please. But other than that, you are pretty much done at this point. You can seal it with a clear coat if you've got that. And again, do not put this in the dishwasher. You can also use this for other items, not just mugs. Mugs are just a nice one because you can use them even if you don't drink out of it. They're really pretty to put pens and pencils and stuff in. And yeah, so that is water marbling with nail polish. I will be back again next week with some more book bites with Miss Mary Lou. Until then, check us out on Facebook, where you are currently, or our website, scottpublib.org, and I will see you next time. Bye.